Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to transfer files between different accounts. To begin, log into your primary account and select every file you wish to move. Right-click on your selection, choose Share, and then click Share again. Enter the email address of the recipient account. Ensure the role is set to Editor and hit Send. At this stage, the files are shared, but the original account remains the owner. If you check the Shared with Me section on the second account, you'll notice the first account is still the owner. To transfer full ownership, return to the first account, right-click the files again, and open the Share settings. Click the Editor status next to the second account's email and select Transfer Ownership, then send the invitation. Next, access the Gmail for your second account. Open the invitation email and click Respond. This will launch Google Drive. To finalize the process and ensure you are the owner, select the files, right-click, and choose Make a Copy. You will now see the copies in your main drive with yourself listed as the owner. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.